one, go. Yes, this is Thomas and Brian, and we're gonna pair program or pair fool around or something. I don't know. With some website 1 issues, and we have a problem, Houston. We have a problem with what? With the thing that some of the videos are not showing in the videos tab on the project description page, and that's a shame. We don't want that, do we? For instance, if I know that we have tags, I mean, we are asking the API to return videos that contains website 1 in the title, and also WSO and some other tags, right? And I do have, in my own video manager, for instance, I have here, August 29th, website 1 client meeting, right?
Right.
So this video should most definitely be here someplace.
Yes.
And it isn't. And also I know that people from Autograders has been complaining about their videos not showing up. I think they have 2 videos. And yeah, it's from the 14th of January 2013. So let's agree that this is not the right one. And
okay.
Also Austria people has been complaining about this. They have 0 videos. And I know that they have held meetings with this Austria. You know, we can have a look at what tags the Austria project has, but it should have the proper tags. I mean, if you start a Hangout from this page, this video should show up. So let's see. Those calls, they are handled in a controller, or are they the presenter nowadays?
Question. I'm trying to find it actually. I'm not sure. I forgot where everything went. YouTube videos. Ah, yes, YouTube videos.
In what?
Lib YouTube videos. Yeah.
Oh, here we go. All right. So we can call project videos an object. So if I go project equals project first, for instance. Just Autograders project. So I should be able to call what should I be able to do? Project videos, or no?
Was it YouTube videos for project?
YouTube. I mean, no, not capitalized, right? How would you write it out?
YouTube.
I don't even know where you are right now. Where's the window with that? There it is.
Something like that.
Okay. Well, for some reason, it returns what is published. But let's see if we go project, and is it tag underscore list to list the tags? Yes. So he should do autograder, graders, grader, rag, autograder, sassbook, and stuff. And if we go, if we just assign project, for instance, like project 2 equal project find by slug website 1. So if I go project 2 tag list just to see. So okay, so that's VSO website 1, and can I just do like this? Can I do like first 5 or something? Well, never mind. Let's see. The top one. Yeah, it's Yaros. So he's not pulling in any of my videos whatsoever. You know, for instance, if you just go back here on the site and see, the oldest ones are from the beginning of the year. You see, from February, and we know that my videos used to show up here before. So for some reason, none of my videos are showing at all.
Interesting.
So, but one of yours is here, so you're okay. And I know that I'm following the you know, because I unfollowed and followed the project recently, you know, just to make sure that I'm following it.
Right. Let me see.
Oh, you're
Actually,
okay.
I'm playing around with it a bit. Let's see if it's a problem with the API call.
I mean, there must be something wrong with the way we're making the call, basically.
Yeah.
I mean, lines 35 through 40 in that YouTube videos are building the query for you know, building the call.
Yeah.
And it says project YouTube tags and project member tags. Members tags.
Okay. So I got some of Nikita's stuff. So the problem here when you try and add another author. Thomas. Okay, yeah. So maybe the YouTube API change. We cannot add multiple authors. Okay. Are you looking at my screen?
Yeah.
Okay. So the way that Tempe deconstructed the query is something like this. That means I guess it's supposed to mean either from Nikita or from you. That comes with nothing. And if I change this to just Nikita, there's videos. So this is actually video. So if I well, no, not that one. No, where is it? This one. There you go. Ostra planning.
Okay.
Right. So it's something to do with this request. Now let me put it in this. Right. Anyway, they're all. So there is something.
Well, I was thinking, why are we not using this YouTube gem for making those calls? Where are we constructing them ourselves?
Do we have a gem? YouTube it?
Yeah, I think somebody introduced it. Let me see the gem file. I kind of, when I came back and I was going through this. Yeah, here you are, line 43 in the gem file.
Oh. That must have been introduced by Marcelo and Marion.
Oh,
They were
yeah.
doing the Scrum video thing. I remember.
Perhaps it's not YouTube. Yeah, Marion. Yes. Okay. Well, anyway, perhaps that's not a question for today. But so what you're saying is that the way the request is constructed, that's why we have this problem, basically.
Yeah. I wonder why it worked before. Now, I need to find where or how exactly did they do this. So it's YouTube Feeds API. To try and find where that documentation is. Officially deprecated. Okay. They might be using deprecated API.
Oh.
Well, yeah, I told them about this, but they haven't. Yeah, they haven't updated. Anyway, let me try and find their.
But that was a long time ago when we spoke about upgrading to version 3.
Yeah.
For the summer, I recall this conversation.
Yeah. Deleting. Testing, deprecate. Right, I can't seem to find it. For example, oh, it should be there. Okay. I can't seem to find part of their documentation that feeds. I can find part of the documentation that uses this. Feeds API. Feeds. Okay. So this is feeds, I believe. Feeds API, yes. So a quick fix without changing too many things is to try and get the author part correct.
Okay.
Where can I find it? Oh. Search all videos for videos matching the term. The data includes authors' usernames. Right. No, I'm not sure where do you find the filtering by author.
But we're still gonna use this version 2, right?
If possible, we should update. Although I don't know if it's gonna be that easy. Right. Okay. Let's have a look at how V3 looks like. I can't remember how V3 looks like. Is it search or just videos? Filter. How was it? Search. Search.
I can't find anything about authors. Playlists.
Right. And let's just see if we can reconstruct everything with API.
I think it's called content owner now. You know.
No, I think content owner is something else.
Is it?
It's a parameter exclusive for content partners. I guess that's like big organizations who, I don't know, have special accounts in YouTube.
Okay.
Right. Okay, so this is an old query. Now let me try a new one. So set it max results to 5. What else? I think it should be JSON order by order date. Yes. Published after. Save search. Type set that to video.
I'm just gonna point you to Stack Overflow. I don't know if that in any way helps you. For the username, would be the.
Okay.
Yeah. They use for username in version 3.
Channel ID.
But the second one, you see that?
Yeah. For username. Okay. Let me first pick out all the stuff here. Oops. What parameter part? Where's part? Part.
He said, in this example, it was channels question park equals ID and for username, you know.
Daily usage limit exceeded.
Oh.
Did I really hit it that much? Oh. Why is this? Anyway. Right, so I've hit the search limit. I wonder if you can do daily search limit as well. Copy that over to perhaps a new tab. Hopefully Chrome treats that right. Ah, you got the same error too?
Yeah.
Huh.
Okay.
What? Max results 5. What? So you must be authenticated.
Yeah. And we are not.
That sucks.
Yeah.
So hold on. I'm sure there was, when I played around with it, there was a tryout API. There we go. Snippet. Snippet. What else did I put? Max results. 5. Order. Date. Query. Lit Osra. Syria. Orphan. Just take that. Now. Type will be video. Okay. There we have some videos completely unrelated. But so I can't put for owner here on behalf of content owner for mine. No. So I think this was the issue. What if I do this? So that would have. Is that right? Oh, there you go. Osra planning. Exactly the same. Cool. Now what happens if I add your name? Thomas Ock. Oh, same issue. So it's just that having.
But what if you so we can't filter on authors in the request, but we rather. Okay, so we can't filter on who's following the project, basically.
Looks like it. We can do it.
But we can do it afterwards, right?
We can, but then it's not very good.
But I remember this again. We had this similar problem before.
Yeah. The thing is, if you try and filter it by just after you get it, you get very little
results.
Results, yeah.
Okay. So how about okay? So fuck it. So we can't have several users.
Why not? Let me try and find out. Or we should hit YouTube for every author. That's not a good idea, but
no, because we're supposed to return 50 results on per question.
Right. I just saw something. Apparently, you can put author field. What if I do author equals to Nikita? Oop, doesn't work. Right, filter by this uploader. They just no longer support multiple authors. That's not cool.
Oh.
Syria. Let's look at more documentation. You have any ideas? Do you have any ideas?
No.
Yeah.
No.
Looks like it's not easy. Right.
So okay, that's not good at all. Don't.
It's not gonna be a quick fix, this one.
No.
Right. Do you have a bug on Pivotal?
Yeah, 2.
Okay.
Yeah,
Right.
for autograders, video tabs, you know, it's actually I can just get rid of one of them.
Mm-hmm. What am I gonna do? Right. The easiest way would be try and figure out how to get this multiple author filtering to work. If chances are it doesn't look like it's gonna work, so we might have to, if you still want the same old, like all the videos, we might have to hit YouTube once for every author. It's not ideal at all. And if that's the only choice, then we're gonna have to implement some form of caching.
Well, the thing is that we're, in the events epic, we're gonna create events instance. The controller that is called Hangout controller right now. We're gonna read it. But okay, anyhow, we're gonna save the URL to the live stream and also to the recording in that table.
Okay. Yeah.
So potentially we don't need to make those API calls after a while for every time we access this page. We can from our own database.
Yep.
You know what I mean? So
that would be the best case.
Yeah, and that's happening. That's one of the main objectives with the Hangouts, with the events epic, right? So what we could do now is to fix this. Just if we just skip all the authors, never mind who's joining, who's in the project or not. But if we just search for website 1 or WSO or something, what would that return? Would that return a lot of bullshit recordings that has nothing to do with website 1?
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Pretty much.
Yeah. So that's a problem as well.
So if I do this now, first thing I get is something about Italy and Syria's chemical weapons. Russia, Algeria, talking Syria. There's also a dev meeting, that's good. BBC News, Syria. In Syria, UN delivers food aid and stuff like that. So
that doesn't work at all.
Yeah. 4 out of 5 was wrong. So it's not ideal.
No. So okay, that's why we also need either this or we need a Agile Ventures channel on
Yeah, we need to do that because it's very easy to filter by the channel. I think channel ID. There you go. If everything goes there, we'll be so happy.
Yeah. Could you have multiple channel IDs, perhaps?
I think so. I could try, maybe. Do we have any channel IDs I could borrow?
I'm thinking, don't we have channel IDs stored in the database?
Yep. Maybe you shouldn't reveal it on live stream. Just saying.
Yeah, okay. Okay. And that's for the YouTube ID, right?
No. I think channel ID is different.
It is?
Yeah, created by the channel. Yep. There should be a separate ID.
Okay. So let's see here.
Type.
Get channel ID. How do I get the channel ID from YouTube? All right, let's see.
I don't know.
Oh no, it's external ID. That is. Oh, it seems to be that one. So just try this. I'm gonna paste mine. This is mine in the chat window. So.
Okay. That's your channel ID.
I think so. I just grabbed this from the database.
Sure.
Try that. See if...
And right. Searching Austria for that. Do you have any videos on Austria?
I think so. I should have.
Okay. Support system pairing.
Yeah.
Yeah, cool.
Okay,
That
so
works.
I'm gonna
Channel
grab your channel ID if it's okay with you.
Yeah, yeah.
And then
Do I
you.
have any videos on Ostra?
No, you don't. But let's change to.
Yeah, let's change to website 1 or something.
What's your ID? Do you know your ID on? No, never mind. I fixed it. I can find you quickly. I think. Let's go to members. Brian. There we are. Okay. Okay. I'm just gonna search by user find by slug. And you're. Let's see. Where is that? There you are. So. No. Here's yours.
Okay, I'll take website 1 now. I put max results 50, so we'll get more. Yep, that got a lot. Website 1 pairing, cool.
Okay, so that's cool because we can grab that from the database. Cool.
Wait, no, I haven't tried the multiply IDs yet.
Oh, okay, sorry.
Hold your horses.
Yeah, I thought, you know.
There it is. Everything's properly escaped. Here it goes. What's this? JV invite. What?
Oh, fuck, that's not us.
That's definitely not us. You see? Was that the right channel ID?
Yeah.
GWX.
Yeah. UC7F8RXRH, blah, blah, blah. XFG at the end.
Huh.
But it seems.
Oh, well, this is the wrong channel ID actually. Damn it.
So it's all, you can only.
So we've. Yeah, what? So it didn't do the filtering properly. Hold on. Let me see if I. Where's the channel ID? If I put it just 1, say yours.
Oh, put in yours now and see what you know.
Oh, never mind.
Yeah, never mind.
Okay, let me just. Oh, is it right?
That's the right one.
Yeah, this is the right one.
But it obviously can't take 2.
So yeah, can't take 2. So it's the same thing.
Yeah, as we thought.
Again with can't take 2. Hold on. Let me see if I can find again. See if I can get it to accept 2 somehow. Nope, didn't like that one. Try it again. Nope. Give us bad results. Right. So it looks like it's really just 1 at a time.
Wow. But this, oh fuck. But the thing is, why? Okay, I got that. But you know, if we have a look at the site itself now, you know, in the list that is actually pulled out, why does he return? You know, he returns quite a few of them. For Yarrow, for Brian, for Sam, you know.
Yeah, it works for some but not for others. It's kind of weird.
Yeah. And how did he construct this? Yeah, well, that's not. Oh, my battery. My mouse. Oh, come on. There we go. Because if we can't do it, the API wrapper, YouTube it wouldn't do it either.
Yeah.
So that's not a solution.
Should be able to do it. Why? Why? Okay, so looks like
The only thing we could do is either have a private channel, that is Agile Ventures channel, or if we could add, all videos automatically in some way to a playlist, because I know for a fact that we could, extract all contents of a playlist by a call to the API.
right.
But that's nothing we can automate. Not at this moment, Not very easily, I guess.
Nope.
That's a bit of a problem.
Comma. Damn it. Let me try a slightly different search. Easy for it to begin with. So I want to see if I can pull all your videos using slightly different search. PairProgramming website 1.
Yeah, that's why we're doing it.
Meeting, is that right?
Let's see what's on the top.
Website 1 client meeting, programming on website 1. Let's see.
PRs, that's the one. Yeah, that's the one we're doing right now. Pair programming on website, pull requests.
Oh, okay. Really?
Yeah.
Excellent. So let me see. Ah, this is good. This is actually good. Yeah, I'm just manually inspecting right now, which. Okay, so okay, so this is all right. So this is a slightly different construction, but this is definitely still supported. Now, if I add my name in the list, what happens? Now, Heroku setup. Why did that come up now?
That's one of ours. Long time ago, though.
Oh, so it must include me as well? No, that can't be right.
Quickly schedule.
Oh, what? Eurasia Scrum pairing. Oh, these are long ago. Oh. Right, so this isn't perfect. So get rid of this. It works for one very well, but so this is what we really want to have on the top. Cool.
But I was hoping that this YouTube ID could help us, that he could take multiple IDs, but he cannot do that.
Yeah. That would have been very helpful.
What? What causes this problem? What's what they describe as live?
Thomas.
The thing is, another thought I have is, we have a lot of people following that project now.
Uh-huh.
I think website 1 is followed by 53 people, and I was thinking perhaps that excludes some because it's too many people in the call or so. I don't know, but then again the autograder doesn't have so many people, and he's not pulling out the videos either, so no, never mind.
So yeah, there is no way to do this. I'm not sure how in the world they worked before. So that there is literally no way to do this. According to this response from YouTube API developer team. Yes, if we should really start thinking about moving it to a separate channel. For the time being, right. I don't think we can fix this quickly.
No. So this is okay. Wait, let's bring this up tomorrow in dev meeting, because this is important, and this is also
absolutely.
We have to, first of all, we can talk to Sam and create Agile Ventures channel, on YouTube.
Yeah.
But the other thing is that let's rethink the way we do all this. That's like store everything locally, because we can access. It's easy for us to access the stream URL and also the YouTube recording URL.
Yeah.
When we deal with the Hangouts and everything.
Right. Yeah. I'll try and think about that tonight, and then we can discuss it tomorrow.
Oh, yeah.
Although, I'm not sure if I can stay for a very long time.
Gotcha. But let's see. We need to prioritize. So otherwise, also, I hope that John shows up for tomorrow's meeting. On the events.
Has he been around?
I haven't seen him around for a few days. Not since we had this discussion with Yarrow, and
okay. Maybe he might still be on holiday or something.
Yeah, but I know that he said that he will try to meet up with me this week. So
right, okay.
Follow through on that. Otherwise, let's first of all, tomorrow we need to estimate some stories, because people need to have something to work on.
Yep, sure.
We also need to discuss how to deal with this Hangout connection service that Yarrow's been in charge with. Because we need to at least. I'm not saying he's not supposed to work on that, because it's his thing. But first of all, he needs to coordinate stuff with us, because we had this problem now that he pushed some code and stuff just didn't work because website 1 wasn't ready for it. That's one thing. The other thing is that it seems like a critical thing for us. So we need other people to know how this is done. This Hangout connection service is working, and he mentioned something on the channel that his own account on Google or whatever, that handles those connections, and that's we should have that in house in some way, for instance, on one of Sam's accounts, perhaps, or something, or
Right.
adventure, if we decide to create one for Edge Adventures. But mostly, you know, we need to have some stories estimated tomorrow, and I would love to have a conversation about the events epics. So, you know, if there's time, so we know how to move forward. Basically.
Yep. Do you think you can ping Johnny on Slack, see if we can get a response?
Yeah, I can do that after the meeting. No problem.
Cool. Excellent. Yep.
Do you have time to just have a quick look at the pull requests before we wrap this up?
I'm really hungry right now. Sorry.
But I trust your judgment on all these things.
Yeah. Is there any particular one you want to look at? I can spend a couple minutes.
Let's see. I had some.
Okay, the GitHub commit count. What are we going to do about that? Obviously, we didn't have any time.
I would say let's merge it in and refactor it in the next iteration. You know, to change the calls to be, you know, instant instead of being a background job like he created now. But we can keep it this way now. I think there are other things that needs attention.
Right. Okay.
If it's okay with you, you know.
Yes.
Not quite.
Hope he. I don't know. I'll have one last look at it and then I'll probably merge it.
Yeah, I called him to change
nothing.
the UI elements. You know.
Yeah.
You know, so he did that.
Okay.
So that's one thing. The change document sections. I don't have a problem with this the way it's done now. You know, the one by Sly.
Yeah.
Have you had a look at it?
Change documents. No, the new one.
Well, 512.
12. No, I haven't had a look at this, but I'll try and look at it. It doesn't look like it's doing too much, so it shouldn't be a huge problem.
Orphan documents. That's the Neil.
Yes. Yeah, we had some discussion. I think I'm quite okay with that. I just need one last look at it because it was failing before. I want to see what changed.
And yeah, Yarrow created a scenario and steps, he says, and you know, things went green. Have a look at that.
Okay, cool.
And so document dashboard stats, it's like. You know,
I think it's still work in progress for them.
Yeah.
Yeah. I gave them some feedback and they're gonna look at it and change. I hope.
Yeah. Okay. And the documents revisions are failing for some reason, which is very weird because I had a look at Travis output, and the failing step doesn't seem to have anything to do with what they are doing. So.
Okay.
First of all, I just have to ask you, why is the RSpec output, you know, those dots? We used to have more verbose.
Okay, so they just have an undefined step definition here. I should not see any revisions. Have they? Have you looked at this one?
Which one? You mean?
Documents feature 129.
Uh-huh.
Yeah. So yeah, Cucumber's failing because this is not defined.
Okay.
Right.
And I should not see any revision.
Let me. This Cucumber will fail when they haven't implemented a step. It's almost strict then.
When I should not see any revisions. Expect page not to have CSS revisions. There is this line 57 in documents that.
Let me just. Cool. Hopefully that'll help them out.
Well, apart from that, not much else.
Cool. Yep. Right, tonight.
So you closed off John's this authentication, or what was it, authorization?
Oh yeah, I told John to close it for the time being.
Cool.
Yeah.
All right. Yeah. Let's say. I don't know what time. Are you home tomorrow?
I won't actually be going home till late, but I can still make it to the scrum for a little while.
Okay. Well, if you can earlier than 1800, let me know. If there's anything we can work on together.
Sure.
But otherwise, 6 o'clock UTC.
Okay. Yep.
We make it. All right.
Sure.
Thank you for this session, brother. And
yeah, no problem. Sorry that we couldn't come up with a good solution to the problem. Like it's gonna be a lot of.
We can't change the world all the time. Sometimes we have to settle for life.
All right.
All right. Have a good night.
Yeah. All right.
Bye.